Hi all, welcome to our channel. Today we will discuss our input method in Python. Let's get started. Input method is used to take input from the user as the name suggests. Let me take an example and explain input method. Let me take a variable name number. We want to take input from the user using input. Enter any number. Let me run this. As you can see, whatever that we've written inside this double quotes will be displayed here. It doesn't have to be enter any number or anything. You can write anything inside these double quotes. Whatever you have written will be displayed in the console. Let me print the number. We will run. Let me enter a value for number 16. As you can see, number 16 is printed here. But there is a catch. Let me tell you. Let me print the type of this variable number. As you can see, it is treated as a string. So it is because by default whatever the value that you enter for input method will be considered as a string. Even though we know 16 is an integer, since we have not converted that value to integer, it will be considered as a string, as you can see. So for that we have to use a typecasting method, int, and we have to enclose everything inside this int function. Let me run again. Let me enter a value 16 again. Now the value for the data type number is int. So in this way we have to convert whenever we are taking a value from a user. For example, if you are in a situation you have to take a input from the user which is of the float format, replace this int with float. Now let me run the file again. Let me enter value 16. Now you can see it will be 16.0. As we have converted this value to float, whenever you convert a value to float, it will add a dot zero to the value if it is a number. For example, if you have entered a value 16.5, it will take 16.5. So based on your input, it will take. If you haven't passed anything after the number, it will take that value dot zero and it convert it to float. I hope you have understood how we can use the input method. Whenever there is a scenario, you have to take input from the user, whether it's an integer value or a float value. Based on that, we have to convert to use a typecasting method, int, float. If you have any doubts, please feel free to comment. If you like my content, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.